So children, we are on chapter 3. We are on chapter 3, operation on large numbers, and we are doing subtraction in exercise 3A, page number 33. Yes, in our previous class we have learnt how to do subtraction. In our previous class we have learnt how to do subtraction. So children, now let's move to next step, that is word problem on subtraction. Today we will start with word problems of subtraction. So children, again I'll remind you, there are few points while doing word problems, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. You have to keep it in your mind. What are those points? First, read. What are those points which you have to remember? First, read word problem carefully. Read word problem carefully. Why it is important to read word problem carefully? As we all know that it is very important to understand situation. It is very important to understand what situation is given, what story is given, what question is asking, and what information is given in the question. And all this thing you will understand only by reading word problem carefully. Okay, be vigilant while reading word problem and understand each word. Okay, then only you will be able to do word problems. Okay, now underline keywords. Why it is important to underline keywords? Because it helps you to know which application that you are going to apply. Yes, keywords will be telling what are the which application, कौन सा application you are going to apply here. Is it clear? And then number facts. Number facts will be telling you that what are the numbers, whether you are going to add that, what are the numbers where you have to perform operation. It will tell what are the number facts will be telling you that these are the numbers where you have to work on it. You have to work on it, these numbers. Okay, so number facts will be helping you to know where you have to work. Keywords will be telling you that what application you are supposed to use in particular situation, and for both things you have to read word problem carefully. This much is clear to you all children. Now let's see what are the keywords for subtraction. Now let's see what are the keywords that help us to know whether we are going to do subtraction or addition, multiplication, division. What? Minus. If minus is given, then you are going to do subtraction. Difference. Then decrease. Then left. Remainder. Then less. Balance. Subtract. Then less than. How many more? More than. So children, these are the words that tells you that you have to subtract. Minus, difference, decrease, left, remainder, less, balance, subtract, less than. How many more? And more than means you are doing comparison. You are comparing. You are comparing. And for comparing, what you have to do? You have to do subtraction. This much is clear to you all? Now children, let's take one example. Let's take one example of word problem of subtraction. Okay, now see, pay attention here. I'm reading question, please pay attention. The total area of China is 95 lakh 96,960 square kilometers, while that of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. By how many? Actually, I left here. It is by how many square kilometer is China's area is more than India? Okay, now children, what information is given? That China's area, how much? 95 lakh 96,960 kilometers. And what is next given? India's area, that is 32 lakh 87,263 kilometers. Yes, now what you have to find? How many square kilometer is China's area is more than. So it is asking how many. It is asking how many more than China's area. That means we are doing comparison. That means we have to we have to apply here subtraction. Which application we have to apply here? We have to apply here subtraction. Yes, this is minus sign. This is what we are going to use it here. Now, so children, what we will be doing first? We will note down the information given. So first I will be writing China's area. First I will be writing China's area. How much? 95 lakh 96,960 square. This is a short form of square kilometers. Clear? Now note down the second information that is given. India's area. How much? 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. Yes. Now what you have to find out? How many square kilometer China's area is more? Means kitna zyada hai. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. Yes children. So therefore what will be our third statement? What will be our third statement? China's area is greater than India's area. Okay. China's area is greater than India's area. Yes children, how much? I will write statement here. What statement? Subtraction statement. As we all know that this minuend we will write first, and minuend will be the greatest number among these two. So this is the greatest one. So I will be writing the bigger number first. That is 95 lakh 96,960 minus 32 lakh 87,263. So this is our subtraction statement. Now arrange it in vertically. Children, I have always told you, I always keep reminding you that we always place number from right hand side. Okay, so what will be the place value I will start writing from right hand side? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Children, always write neatly. Always write neatly. So this is your place value according to this you have to place numbers. Now start placing numbers here. So 0, 6, 9, 6, 9, 5, 9. Then India's 3, 6, 2, 7, 8, 2, 3. And which sign will be here? Minus sign. So this is clear. I am reminding you again. First number is minuend. Second number is subtrahend. And third number is what we get result is difference. So this is clear to you all. Minuend, subtrahend and difference. We always start subtraction from which side? Right hand side. Yes. Can we subtract 3 from 0? No. Why? Because 0 is smaller. It will go to tens place and ask for help. 6 will give 1 to 0. It will become 10 and this will become 5. Very good. Now we can subtract 10 minus 3? 7. Can we subtract 6 from 5? No. 5 will go to hundreds place. 9 will give 1 to this. It will become 15 and this will become what? 8. Very good. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. So how much 15 minus 6? 9. Very good. 8 minus 2? 6. Very good. And can we subtract 7 from 6? No. What 6 will do? 6 will go to 10,000s place, ask for help. 9 will become 8 after giving 1 to 6. It will be 16. 16 minus 7. What? 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Very good. 8 minus 8? 0. 5 minus 2? 3. 9 minus 3? 6. So, what is your difference? 63 lakh 9,697. Okay, so this is word problem. So, I'll be writing answer in a word form only. Is it clear? So, what is the last part of the question? How many kilometers is China's area is more than India? Simple. Replace how many with this number. So, it will be answer here. 63 is it 63 lakh 9,697 square kilometer is China's area more than is China 63 lakh 9,697 square kilometer is China's area more than India. More than India. Is it clear, children? So this is your answer. What is 63 lakh 9,697 square kilometer is China's area more than India. So this much is clear, children. Now I believe exercise 3A question number 7 you all can do. Okay? Good.